Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can ask Copilot in 2026 to rewrite or to regenerate responses it has given you in your conversations and chats. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me navigate to that example conversation here inside my Copilot account. And you can do this basically with, not with all messages, as you can see, not with all conversations, but only with some. Basically with the most recent one. So for example, if I hover my mouse over that older reply or response here, we won't see that regenerate button below, but we will see it just below the most recently sent message. Click into it, regenerate, and after that select one of these options, for example, for a deeper research, for a longer reply, shorter reply, and wait for the artificial intelligence or for Copilot to write the reply again with the new version. That's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.